Today I'm going to review for you guys EUFY's brand new security camera system, the E330. This security camera system has a 4 camera kit that also comes with their new upgraded HomeBase 3. This camera features 24/7 clarity day and night. You have stable wired power 24/7. You have enhanced Wi-Fi and easy DIY installation. You have 24/7 smart assistant with bionic mind, and you can save months of 24/7 security footage with the E330 eufyCam. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what all we have inside, get everything connected to our internet, install the cameras, and find out if this $500 E330 camera security system is perfect for you and your home. You can see that we have our HomeBase, and this is the new HomeBase 3. And then we also have 4 different cameras over here. You can see this is what the cameras look like. You can also adjust these, so once you open them, they're adjustable. And then we have our light over here, camera, and then this is the wire, is how you would connect your camera. We have our user manual and all the other plugs, cords, and the screws and the anchors to go ahead and mount up all of our cameras. So first thing we are going to do is connect our HomeBase 3 to power outlet.
Welcome to EUFY Security. Follow the instructions in the EUFY Security app to set up the system. HomeBase is unable to connect to the internet. Please check the Ethernet cable.
And since we have this turned on now, you want to download the EUFY app and create an account. Then we want to add a device. You can see that we have our HomeBase over here, and you can add your HomeBases. So we have the HomeBase 3. So I can click on it and I can add it to a specific home and click on next to connect it. Then you want to press the sync button after you scan the QR code on the bottom of the HomeBase. We should hear a beep. And once you hear the beep, you let it go and press next on your app and continue to go through the connection. And once you are ready to connect to the Wi-Fi, it will tell you to take off the Ethernet cable, and you can go into the Wi-Fi setting to connect this HomeBase to your Wi-Fi. And once you are done, it will have that blue LED status light. Now that our HomeBase is connected to the internet, we want to connect our camera to the HomeBase. So we want to add some power source using the cord that they give you. And when the camera comes on, you will see the red light. And while it's turning on, what we want to do is go on our EUFY app, go to add device, and you want to go under the battery camera. And over here, you will find the eufyCam. So once we click on the eufyCam, we want to select the home. So click on next, and you can see that I have 2 HomeBases. So I want to add it to the current HomeBase that I have, and want to make sure that it's nearby, which you can see the camera and the HomeBase are right next to each other. Click on next.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
And I have a sync button on the bottom of the camera here that I have to press and hold until you hear the beep. So once you hear the beep, then you want to go ahead and click next.
Ready to add device.
And you can see that the HomeBase is making a noise.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
And the camera will automatically connect to the HomeBase.
Device was added successfully.
And you can see that it is very easy to connect. So that's exactly how we would connect all 4 of our cameras. So that way you can just take it anywhere and hook them up. The nice thing about this HomeBase is you can remove this top over here. And what you will find here is a hard drive slot. You can literally insert a 16 terabyte hard drive into this, so that you don't have to worry about you running out of local storage or you having to go in and then erase your data every so often. This is something that I haven't seen before, so this is very nice to have. Stable Wi-Fi coverage reaches every corner of your home up to 5,000 feet, avoiding security blind spots caused by dropouts or insufficient coverage. Wireless connectivity works at distance up to 82 feet between cameras and HomeBase 3. You get 24/7 ultra clear 4K resolution with 8 million pixels and 8x zoom. And with the Bionic Mind AI video splicing makes reviewing events effortless, and customized security reports are delivered by self-learning AI. And you can also unlock the true potential of your security using the Bionic Mind, We have facial recognition that differentiates between family and strangers. We also have two-way audio system, so when somebody is talking through the phone app using the microphone, you should be able to hear it out of the speakers on this camera. So let's go ahead and test that out.
This is me talking into the microphone from my app, and hopefully you guys can hear my voice through the speaker. Let me know if you guys think it's clear and loud. So now I'm actually talking into the camera right now, just to see what it sounds like from the other side if you're on your phone having a two-way conversation. One nice thing about this security camera system is that you get 4 different cameras, so you can have them in the backyard, have them in the garden, over your garage, at the front door. And the nice thing is you also have the spotlight, and you're actually able to set them up in specific names. So you will be notified if somebody is detected in the backyard versus somebody is detected in the front yard. So let's say somebody is coming from your garage area to your front door, you will be able to see them in both of the areas, and it will notify you right away. So it basically keeps everything protected, and you don't have to worry about missing out.
We also have a very nice and bright spotlight here, and this spotlight can be turned on manually, or you can also have it turn on if it actually detects a motion. So in order for you to manually turn on, you can go onto your EUFY app, and if you look at the bottom over here, we have the light icon. So I can turn on the light icon and it will automatically come on, as you guys can see. And if you want to change the brightness, you can just go under the settings, look at your spotlight settings, and you can see that we have 3 different modes, which is low, medium, and high. As you can see, it's also giving me notification that it has detected someone. But if you can see, if I put it to low, the light goes down drastically, and I can also put it to medium and it will show you the medium brightness, and I can also put it to high. So you can really set the light to your specific need, so that way it's not hurting anybody's eyes or it's not bothering your neighbors. So that's a cool feature to have. You can set up activity zone under video setting, and this is an area that you would select where if something or somebody would come into this specific area, then you want to get notified. You can also turn on human detection, pet detection, and any other detection like cars and whatnot. You can set the cameras to your preferable resolution, and you can see we have 4K setting as well, but just keep it on auto so you get the best performance. One cool feature that EUFY added is the privacy setting. So if you don't want to see a specific area or want your camera to track it, such as your neighbor's house, then you can also set that up. And if you go on the camera, then you will see that specific area is blacked out. And if you need to install the camera upside down, then you can also flip the camera, so that way you have the perfect visual of your backyard, front yard, wherever you install it. Here we are going to check out the camera at nighttime. You can see that our mode is currently set to black and white, so you're able to see everything nice and clear, but we also have a color night vision. So now I'm turning that on. The spotlight comes on right away and it gives you all the colors, and you can see everything in 4K, which looks very nice and clear. So you don't have to worry about missing out on any detail, even at nighttime. And EUFY is one of the leading brands, so when you purchase their devices, you don't really need to pay for any monthly subscriptions because you have free cloud storage. And given the fact that we have 1 terabytes of space in the HomeBase, you can store a lot of things locally as well. The playback system is important for any security camera. And as you can see here from my backyard camera, I can drag the bar from left to right to see all of my events and be able to download the clips. So if you have multiple cameras set up around the entire house, you can use the cross-tracking function to track all the events in one place. These security cameras also feature a IP67 weatherproof rating and a field of view of 135 degrees, as well as AI self-learning features. Right now, you can take advantage of the $100 off special EUFY is running. So if you're looking for a new security system for your home and you liked our review, definitely take a look at the EUFY E330. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.